I'm replacing this hot water baseboard heater cover with an easy snap cover. And this is made from 20 gauge galvanized steel that has an epoxy powder coat that's guaranteed not to rust, and you're going to get great airflow. You can have these covers custom cut, or you can get standard lengths and cut them to size yourself. Measure the old cover with the end caps on and subtract a ½ inch so you have some wiggle room. You want to remove the end caps, the front cover, and the damper. There's a couple different styles. For this style, you have a panel on the end caps. You're going to lift up on the front cover and pull up on this panel that's going to release that little tab, and now you can wiggle loose the end cap. The front cover generally pulls up and out. The dampers will either pry off, or you can slide them off, or you can snap them off the brackets by just pulling up on them. Now you can clean the area and vacuum the fins thoroughly. You can leave the back plate and any brackets in place. The new cover is going to slide behind this. You may need a razor knife to cut loose any paint if it's been painted in place. I measured my length and marked it. I'm going to start on this back edge and cut a notch on this first, and then I'll start from the bottom and go up and around. I'm going to use a jigsaw with a metal cutting blade. The blade I'm using is 24 teeth per inch. The end caps just slide onto the cover. Now we're going to slide this lip behind the back plate. And you may have to kind of work it or pound it slightly. And then you can adjust the end caps. This is an easy way to get a professional look, and I'll put the company's information underneath the video.